Now let's do question number 7 subpart 1. So first of all you name the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, B plus 50 plus B equal to 180 degree. Because you know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 2B equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. And so B is equal to 130 by 2 equal to 65 degree. Now next subpart 2. Again you name the triangle. Then you write in triangle ABC, x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So 2x equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree, and x is equal to 90 by 2 equal to 45 degree. Now in subpart 3, again you name a triangle ABC, and then k plus k equal to 180 degree. So 3k equal to 180 degree, and k is equal to 180 divided by 3 equal to 60 degree. Now subpart 4. In triangle ABC, you have to name the triangle, and then m minus 5 plus 60 plus m plus 5 equal to 180 degree. And so m minus 5 plus 60 plus m plus 5 means in this you can cancel plus 5 and minus 5. So what is left? 2m equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. And so m is equal to 120 by 2 equal to 60 degree. Now m minus 5 is equal to 60 minus 5, that is 55, and m plus 5 is equal to 60 plus 5, that is 65. Clear? Now next, calculate the angles of a triangle if they are in the ratio 4:5:6. So let the ratio be x. Again 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 180 degree. You know the reason, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 15x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 15 equal to 12 degree. So now 4x is equal to 48, 5x is equal to 60, and 6x is equal to 72 degree. Now next, one angle of a triangle is 60 degree. The other two angles are in the ratio 5:7. Find the two angles. So let the ratio be x, then 60 plus 5x plus 7x equal to 180. 12x is equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120. X is equal to 120 divided by 12 equal to 10 degree. And so 5x is equal to 50 and 7x is equal to 70 degree. Now next, one angle of a triangle is 61 degree and the other two angles are in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. Find these angles. So for that again let the ratio be x. So 61 plus 3x by 2 plus 4x by 3 equal to 180 degree. So 9x plus 8x by 6. How? Because 3x by 2 and 4x by 3, you take out the LCM of 3 and 2 and then solve this fraction. Then you will get 9x plus 8x by 6. Then 61 will come this side, means the right side, and you subtract it from 180, you will get 119 degree. Now 17x is equal to 119 into 6, so x is equal to 42 degree, and then you find out the value of 3x by 2, so 3 into 42 by 2 equal to 63 degree, and 4x by 3 means 4 into 42 by 3 equal to 56 degree. Okay? Now next, find the unknown marked angles in the given figure. So figure number 1. In this you will use the concept that exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Clear? So in all the figure we will use this concept because one side is extended. So in figure 1, 110 is equal to x plus 30. So x is equal to 110 minus 30 is equal to 80 degree. Now in figure 2, again the same concept, exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. So 120 is equal to y plus 60, and so y is equal to 120 minus 60. Now next figure number 3, k plus 35 is equal to 122. So k is equal to 122 minus 35 degree is equal to 87 degree. Now subpart 4, a plus 73 degree is equal to 135. So a is equal to 135 minus 73 is equal to 62 degree. Then you must be seeing, then we are using the concept exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Now figure number 5, 125 is equal to a plus c, and the another equation is 140 is equal to a plus b. So marked it 1 and 2 as I have done. Then adding equation 1 and 2 we get what? A plus b plus c is equal to 265. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180, and so A plus 180 equal to 265. So A is equal to 265 minus 180 equal to 85. Then A plus B is 140, so B is equal to 140 minus angle A, and angle A is what? 85, so 55 degree. A plus C is 125, so C is equal to 125 minus 85 equal to 40 degree. Now next part 6, 112 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So reason is what? Linear pair. From this we can find out the value of x. So it will be 180 minus 112 equal to 68 degree. Now next is y plus 63, again 112, and so y will be equal to 112 minus 63, and this is equal to 49 degree. Clear? Now subpart 7, 120 is equal to a plus a, so 2a is equal to 120, and a is equal to 120 divided by 2 equal to 60 degree. Now in subpart 8, here I have marked a, same way you also marked in the figure, then you find out the value of a. So 140 plus a is equal to 180, linear pair, and a is equal to 180 minus 140 equal to 40 degree. After finding the value of a, we can use the concept that exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. So 4m will be equal to 2m plus a. So 4m minus 2m is equal to a, and 2m is equal to a. So 2 into m is equal to 40, because the value of a we have got it 40. Then m will be equal to 40 divided by 2 equal to 20 degree. Now the last one, 105 is equal to b plus b. Exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of its interior opposite angle. So b will be equal to 52.5 degree. Again, the relation between 105 and a is what? A linear pair. So 105 plus a is equal to 180 degree, and a is equal to 180 minus 105, that is 75 degree answer.